Vanakkam, I am Dr. Bruno, now working in the Department of Neurosurgery, Madras Medical College. I started writing in Wikipedia, English Wikipedia from 2004 and in Tamil Wikipedia from 2006. Tamil Wikipedia occupies an important juncture in our Tamil history of Tamil computing and Tamil internet because it was the first platform in which we started writing in a common Unicode. Before that, of course, we were writing in Tamil in various blogs and in Usenet groups and so many other mailing groups, but lots of formats were followed like TAM, TAB, TISCI, and there were confusion everywhere. Whereas when we started writing in Unicode in the late 2006, there was a uniformity. At that point, everyone got a hope that here Tamil scripts can be read all over the world. Till then, many people were writing in Tamil but were using the Roman scripts. But Wikipedia was a turning moment in the history of Tamil computing in the sense that Tamil script was used all over the world in a single encoding in a single format. The spread of the various technical terms in Tamil, for example, like Udagam, Alaikatrai, such words actually originated from Wikipedia, which were picked up by the descriptions given in the Wikipedia, and then they were carried out through the media and social media, and now they have been used in everyday parlance. Tamil Wikipedia has quite a lot of articles in basic sciences. It's enough for a school kid doing a research, and in certain areas like history, politics and science, very good quality articles which can be used even for a postdoctoral research. Of course, we still lack in a lots of issues. We need to increase the number of articles. More than that, we need to increase the quality of articles, uniformity, and lots of things are bending, but I see the future very bright for the Tamil Wikipedia in that we have got a vibrant community, a vibrant user groups who started in Wikipedia and then went on to various other platforms for the sake of Tamil, for the sake of internet and for the sake of the Tamil cause as a whole.